Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we are opening the color of blue color. And the next one is green color. Now we are opening the color of green. Kids, the next one is red color, the color of red. And the next one is black color. Now we're opening the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is yellow color. Now we're opening the color of yellow. And the last one is white color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The color of white. Today we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Subscribe to our channel. First we are opening the color of blue, and now we draw the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for bat. C for cow, C for cat. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. We are again using the color of blue. Now we draw the alphabet of G. G for God. H for hand. I for eyes, I for ice cream. The next one is J. And the next one is K. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Now we are using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. O for orange. And the next one is P. The next one is Q. The alphabet of Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. S. T. U for umbrella. We are again using green color. V. V for vanilla. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.